This video is courtesy of BrainyBuyer.com, your shortcut to smarter shopping. If these deep dive comparisons help you pick the perfect gear, show some love with a quick subscribe. Hey, I'm looking at these two DeLonghi espresso machines, both renewed. The Magnifica Evo B0 CVR 2 PSZ4 and the Magnifica Plus B0 DXN7Z 887. What's the deal?
Okay, let's break it down. Both are fully automatic bean-to-cup machines with built-in conical burr grinders with 13 settings, which is awesome for controlling your grind. And both are from DeLonghi.
Got it. So what sets them apart?
The biggest difference is the number of one-touch recipes. The Evo has 6: espresso, coffee, Americano, iced coffee, long, and steam. The Plus blows it out of the water with 18, including latte macchiato, cappuccino, and more iced coffee options.
Wow, 18 is a lot. What about the milk frothing? I like a good latte.
The Evo has a traditional milk frother. You know, the kind where you manually froth. The Plus uses DeLonghi's Latte Crema Hot system. It's an automatic system designed for creamy foam, even with milk alternatives.
Automatic sounds easier. Anything else on the milk front?
Yes, the Plus has an automatic milk frother.
So the Plus is winning on features. What about usability?
The Plus has a 3.5-inch TFT full-touch color display, which makes navigating and customizing drinks much easier. The Evo just has color icons.
Color icons are simple, but a touchscreen sounds nicer. Can you save your preferences?
The Plus lets you personalize and save drink recipes with 4 user profiles. The Evo doesn't seem to have that. It's, more basic in that regard.
Okay, so the Plus is more advanced. What about size and weight?
They're pretty similar. The Evo is 17.32, DX 9.45, WX 14.17H, and weighs 20.8 pounds. The Plus is roughly the same size and weighs 21.2 pounds. Not a huge difference there.
Right, so basically the Magnifica Plus has more features, especially when it comes to milk drinks and customization with the touchscreen and user profiles.
Exactly. The Evo is a more straightforward machine. Both are renewed, so condition is comparable. The Magnifica Plus gives you a lot more control and variety.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.